Are you having audio issues on your Nintendo Switch? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check system settings. When you are having audio issues on Nintendo Switch, unplug the headphones for the time being and increase the volume from the volume up button present at the top or side of the Switch. Increase the volume as loud as you can. If the volume keys are muted, then you will not be able to hear anything. Ensure that the volume is not muted or too low. Verify that the headphone jack is not obstructed or damaged. If you use Bluetooth headphones, disconnect them and check if the issue persists. Method 2. Update your Nintendo Switch. Outdated software can cause audio glitches. Make sure your console is running the latest system update. Go to System Settings. Select System Update to check for updates. Method 3. Restart your Switch. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Press and hold the power button for at least 3 seconds. Then select Power Options and Restart. Once the system restarts, check the volume. Method 4. Check Bluetooth connections. If you have any Bluetooth devices connected, disconnect them. Navigate to System Settings, then select Bluetooth Audio and disconnect any connected devices. Now check the sound. If you can hear sounds now, this means that the issue is caused by the Bluetooth devices. You can replace them and check. Method 5. Check with other games. If you are having sound issues with a particular game, maybe that the game is having issues. So just try another game and see if you can hear sound now. If your Nintendo Switch is connected with TV, then go to Settings. Then select TV Settings. Select TV Sound. Set it to Automatic. Then test it out. Method 6. Check the console sound. Select Settings. Then System. Then tap on Console Sound. You can set the console sound to stereo. Next, turn off the option that says Mute when headphones are disconnected. If this option is turned on, then you will not be able to hear anything when you disconnect the headphones. Next, go to Lower Max Headphones Volume. If you want to connect headphones to your Switch, then you should turn off this option. And there you have it, the methods to fix the Nintendo Switch audio problems. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.